This is not a video I want to make, but it's a BMW being a BMW, what can I say? So what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, like the last video I posted, I said I fixed everything on the 92, but now it is unfortunately somewhat broken. I think I might have an idea what it is, but I'm going to tell you guys what happened and everything, and maybe you guys can give me some suggestions in the comments on what my problem is with my car. So right now the car is actually misfiring, unfortunately. I did a couple runs with an F80 M3 yesterday, and on like the fourth run, it just started misfiring like crazy. When I went into boost, it went da-da-da-da-da-da, and then went into a limp mode, unfortunately. So then I reset the codes, drove the car home, not in boost, just super low RPMs, made it home fine, did a little pull by my street, same thing happened, brought it into the driveway, and now is the next day, and now we are here filming this video. I really don't want to film, but I guess, you know what, it's content, and maybe you guys can leave me some suggestions in the comments on what it is. So let me diagnose it right now. Let me get my tablet from HD, see what the codes pop up, jot the car up, see if there's any boost leaks, the charge pipe's good, intercooler piping's good. We'll go from there. So we're in the car now. I got my MHD all plugged in down there, and these are the codes that I've gotten. The active codes. So it looks like it's several misfires, especially on cylinder 1. Which kind of brings me to the point of possibly being a coil pack. Whoa, let me focus first real quick. Possibly being a coil pack, because they're index 12 injectors, so I don't think I have a leaky injector. And the spark plugs are brand new. They're literally probably 4,000 miles old. They're brand new. So I'm thinking coil packs, but I'm going to make sure they're all plugged in correctly, and I'm going to check for any boost leaks right now. So hopefully you figure out this issue. As I said in the previous clip, please, if you have any suggestions, leave it below. I'm going to bring it to my guy over at Slow Auto Performance probably tomorrow or the next day. See what he says. I'm going to send him these codes actually right now. See what he says. But if you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. So I just cleared the codes. Now I'm going to start it and see if it does it. Starts up fine. The fuel pump sounded like it's priming. Huh. I mean, sounds normal. I made sure all the injectors are plugged in. I already put the cowl stuff back on. All the injectors are plugged in. Everything's on. So now I'm going to jack it up and see if there is a boost leak. The charge pipe has no boost leak, I just checked that. Now I'm going to check the intercooler underneath and see if there's a boost leak somewhere. And if not, I'm hoping that it is faulty coil packs. It's just really weird to me how I'm driving normal like yesterday, and then once I go into boost, it kicks on. Is that like a lack of fuel? I haven't even talked to my mechanic yet, or my guy over at Slow Auto Performance, good friend of mine. I'm gonna ask him. So yeah, let me check it up, see if there is a boost leak from the intercooler. The intercooler piping is, the little couplers blew up, so maybe we'll see. We'll check it out. Alright, so I just put the car up in the air, just for a second, and I checked for any boost leaks. I can't find any, but I'm gonna go smoke test the car today or tomorrow at my friend's shop. But for now, I think I'm gonna put the car to a stock tune, because someone on the forums said I was over boosting possibly, which I don't think that is my in my case, but I might as well put it on the stock tune for now to run the 8 PSI stock, and maybe I'll do a little bit of I'll drive it, see if I do a pull, and if it not like a full pull, just a light pull, and see if it goes in a limp mode again. I think it will. But yeah, I might as well just put a stock tune right now, just to be on the safer side, to even when I get to the shop tomorrow or the next day. So yeah, let's tune it for stock tune, take it for a drive, and see what happens. Yeah, I'm at a loss right now, so yeah. And when I coded the car yesterday, right when it happened, I got this 2774 air mass too high, which possibly I thought was a boost leak. There's too much air getting in the system, which is what I originally thought. But that was the original code, and it was misfire cylinder 4 and several cylinders. So, and now I don't have that code anymore, which is really weird. So I'm not really sure. But yeah, let's tune the car back to a stock tune, drive it, see what happens. So right here, we're gonna flash stage 0 because MHD remains installed, and I don't want to flash it where it takes out MHD because obviously we're gonna tune it back after it's fixed. So we're gonna go there, contact your DME, let this load and see what happens. So just for now, I turned everything to 0, OEM style, just to 0. And now I'm gonna map right, and I'll check back in with you guys when we're driving. So we got a success on it, now it's stock tune. My friend Cameron showed up, he's gonna take a look at the car, and then we're probably gonna go for a drive, and I wanna show him exactly what it does. We'll film all of it, so I'll probably see you on the drive or whenever we have an update. All right, so we're on the road, Cameron's filming. We're gonna do a poll and see a light poll now it's on a stock map making 8 PSI, and see if it does it. So after this turn, let's see.
See if it does it.
Nothing yet. The car is incredibly slower on stock map. Holy crap. Dude, that was, what the hell?
I felt like my car, jeez. I felt like nothing.
Let me do like a 40, like a 35-second gear and see if it does it. Let me start a log here. See,
it has to be that map.
I think it's the tune, but I don't. Why would the tune cause a misfire? Leave it in the description because now it's running fine, I guess.
I think it's messing with your air to fuel.
I think it is too. I think it's time for maybe a custom tune.
Take it to it. You gotta dyno it now and have somebody actually make a custom tune.
Well, I think I'm gonna do. You can do a custom tune through MHD.
Can you?
Yeah, and
okay.
From a guy back east I trust named RK Tunes, Jordan, or Wedge Performance, a guy named Ken, and I'll have him
make up a tune for this car.
Make up a tune for this car because I don't get it because now it's running.
It's running normal. I haven't felt any miss.
No, it feels fine. I think it sounds fine. We'll check back in with you guys in 1 sec. Okay, so me and Cameron are back from driving the car. We drove it, we put it back to the stock, stage 0 they call it. It's like stock PSI. The car did not misfire, sounded fine. I'm just really confused. We went on some BMW forums, and a lot of people actually are saying that MHD caused their car to misfire and stuff, because we have index 12 injectors, there's no boost leak as I can see yet. I'm still gonna smoke test the car. But yeah, the car ran fine just now on a stock PSI. So I'm thinking that it is the tune, possibly. There's like 5 or so BMW guys on the forums that said it was their tune that messed up. So I think a custom tune is going to be coming soon for sure. But yeah, that is definitely today's video. I'm sorry that it was short and kind of boring, but my car broke and I guess it's fixed. I'm still going to have Sergio check it out at my shop just to make sure it's all good. But I think we fixed it. Might be time for a custom tune. I'm not sure I'm going to go with RK Tunes, Wedge Performance. There's another one I forgot. Yeah, whatever. Besides the point. I guess I'll do it for today's video. You got anything to say?
No.
Do you have anything to say? Say something.
Be ready for a custom tune.
Say something like inspirational.
Like, subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
If you don't,
I like it.
A nerd in a square. We all circle.
Oh, also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It's right here. We did an Instagram live the other day. It was super funny. Bunch of people came to hang out. It was super funny. His Instagram's right here, and then mine is right here again. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the video. I'll keep you guys posted on my car and what the future is for the tune wise. I think it's time for a custom tune, maybe a dyno sesh, SSI Performance. We'll see. We'll see. I'll see you guys next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out. I love you guys. Peace out.
There you go. Done.
We did it! We fixed it, I think.
I didn't know what to say. Like,
I'm still recording. Peace out.